Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial, which is about this macram feathers. Okay, so you can do macram feathers for different kind of purposes. Earrings I have seen, keychains I have seen, also different kind of things. You can use them as a wall hanging, you can use them as accessories for your handbags. So I thought maybe this would be a very fun and interesting tutorial for you. I made this one out of cotton, not mercerized cotton, and I got this from Hooked. If you see, I did a basket with this material, and then I had some yarn left over and I did this feather, macram feather, and then I used, here is with 100% cotton, mercerized cotton, so it will look like this. So today I thought maybe I will show you how I did this feather. Okay, for that I'm going to use this kind of cotton. Is still from Hooked. Is not mercerized cotton. It's a bit chunky, as you can see, and this is a perfect yarn for macram feathers, but you can use different kind of yarns, I think. Okay, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. But first, let me remind you, if you are new around here, click that subscribe button. I hope you like the content of my channel, and if you are already a subscriber from a long time, I hope you like this tutorial and you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you haven't followed me yet in social media like Instagram and Facebook, you can follow me there for different kind of updates that I don't post on YouTube maybe. And also, if you like mochilas and tapestry crochet, I also have an Etsy shop. I will link it up here, where you can find patterns for your mochilas or for tapestry crochet projects. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. Okay, next you can get one piece of yarn, as long as you want the feather, the macram feather to be, and do it by 2. So for me in this case is like this. And then we will need the feathers here. For that you can choose the length that you want, how the width that you want, okay? But I want to have a long and a narrow feather. I don't want one of these feathers short and wide. One side would be like this big. Okay, so I will just work like this. You can just go on like this as you need, as many as you need. Maybe you can do a quantity and then you can just stop and then do another quantity. And then I'm gonna cut all the U-turns here because I need just one piece of them. The other side as well. So what you do next is you take one of the pieces by 2 like this, put it underneath the main yarn, we will say, just like that. And then you get another piece, put it in the same position as the first one, as this one, but this one we will put it like this underneath the loop here, and then the 2 sides that we have here we will pull through this loop. All the 2 free sides of the other side here we will pull through, and then it's going to be like a knot like this, and just pull. ends here, these two ends, we need to pull through the loop. And then just pull the knot. The macram feather, and I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you are doing macram feathers with using my tutorial, I hope you're going to tag me on your social media so I can see your work. Okay, so with all these things being said, I just want to thank you for watching and following me, and I will see you on my next one. Tschüss!